is fiction in the space between the lines on your page of memories. Write it down, but it doesn't mean you're not just telling stories. Space between you and reality. You would do and say anything to make your everyday life seem less mundane. There is fiction in the space between you and me. There's a science fiction in the space between you and me. A fabrication, a grand scheme, where I am the scary monster. I eat the sin as I leave the scene. In my spaceship I am laughing. Your remembrance of your bad dream. There's no one but you standing. Be the pity and the blame for the ones who do not speak. Write the words that get respect and compassion, and for posterity. Write the words that make believe there is truth in the space between. There is fiction in the space between you and everybody. Give us all what we need. Give us one more sad sort of story. In the fiction of the space between, sometimes a lie is the best